Dia starving, December 27th or 28th. Sorry. Gonna do a after clean video for delicate situation. As you can see, the whole swim platform is sitting in the water. This is really getting bad down there with that. The paint on the surface line is pretty bad. This was after me scrubbing it. But we're going to take a look at the running gear real quick, and when I pop out at the front, I will show how I left a spot. Oh, it's really not wanting to come off. But let's see what it is. Visibility is pretty bad. Sorry about that, guys. But this is a section I'm going to show you real quick. Really letting it come off in the paint pretty bad. White slime comes off. But, also, the barnacle glue on the running gear is extremely heavy. I spent about an hour on this boat. And 30 minutes or 45 minutes of it was already detailing it, and it's going to need some more. Dia starving. Thank you very much. Again, that stuff don't want to come off.